Pakistan! Zindabad! Shuhada Fauj Pakistan! Zindabad! Pakistan Army! Zindabad!
Shuhada Fauj Pakistan!
Zindabad!
Pakistan!
Zindabad!
Pakistan!
Zindabad!
Pakistan!
Zindabad!
Pakistan Zindabad slogan reverberated at Republic Square, Paris. A large number of Pakistanis and Kashmiris living in Paris belonging to diverse parties and community leaders shunning their political affiliations converged at Republic Square to manifest their solidarity with Pakistan. The speakers stressed that their survival depended on the existence of Pakistan. They said that overseas Pakistanis were united under the green flag adorned with a star and crescent. The rally was organized by Sahibzada Ateeq-ur-Rahman, Sardar, Zahoor, Iqbal, Naeem Chaudhry, Mirza, Sajid, Jaral, and Asif Chaudhry.
Pakistanis! Zindabad! Pakistan! Zindabad! Shuhada Fauj Pakistan! Zindabad! Pakistan Army! Zindabad!
Shuhada Fauj Pakistan!
Zindabad!
Pakistan!
Zindabad!
Pakistan!
Zindabad!
Pakistan!
Zindabad!